Hey guys and welcome back to the video. Today is when Xiao came out and I've been waiting for this from one whole month. So let's go get into the video. Let's wish. I have 14,000 damage. I'm sorry, we won't be using all of it, but we'll be using a huge chunk of it until we get Xiao.
First thing is shadow reaching PT.
Yeah, bro.
Everyone tell me, Crystal Dust should I wish or I should kill Dingamon?
Official dice miss wish.
Untis you don't kill, bro. Untis.
F3.
Don't kill Untis.
She didn't die yet.
She died.
She died.
Do it.
See, like 5 star.
5 star.
Amber.
Oh no way! No way! Omkar! Chichi! Let's go! Chichi! Oh! No way, dude! No way that happened! No way! Let's go! That was epic, Omkar. This was epic. Omkar, I told okay to be C. Told no. See, you were telling no urgent wish means. See, I told no Omkar, kill your characters mean. One more video. What if you get one more 5 star now?
You won't get.
Skip it.
Give me a Baidu, give me a bit. It is Bebet Club. No, give me Bedu. Rain Slasher, okay, fine. Give me a Rust, no, I need a Rust, I'm wishing comments, give me a Rust. I need a Rust or a Stringless, okay, then I can build my Fischl. Okay, this was super bad 10 pool, okay, what happened? My game just froze. Okay, I got it. Give me.
Go for it.
Jinyan.
How did you go to
What the
6,000?
hell?
Bad, it's not bad.
Jinyan is good.
Stream is lag.
How did I not get any that thing stars?
But only one. You didn't?
Stream is lagging.
But I forgot it.
This thing, the time.
Oh, you can fight.
Okay.
Start with you can get 2.
I'll do one single pull. No. Another single pull. No. Okay. Another single pull. Give me. Oh, 4 star. Okay. Who's it? Bidu. Give me a Bennett, no? Chongyun.
No, I
Weird game, but fine.
You knew, bro. What is a 5 star?
You can see, right? I'm wishing.
yeah, it's all
It is seeing. Let's go. Come on, give him 5 star. What did you get? Bidu.
Yes, I
Diona.
wanted it.
Why don't
Yes,
I
I
ever
wanted
get a Diona, man? You're wishing one more?
Yeah, I'm wishing
Let's go.
full.
Wish
and
full.
I'll get a 5 star.
Oh, let's go.
I'm getting a 5 star, dude.
Let's go, dude.
65 wishes done.
Let's go.
This is 74 wishes.
74 over, Ashish. Then do single.
Yeah, now 74.
Oh, Baidu. Let's
Bidu.
go. Baidu. Some weird pronunciation. Okay. Different comes out of my mouth. If you're doing 10 pull, do man, Ashish. Or do single. 10 pull.
Yeah, 10 full I'll do.
The 4-star rate is so
Yeah,
bad,
no.
man.
Only 1 4 stars they're giving, bro. What is
I
this?
do.
I might get.
I did 10 pull up.
I might get one now.
Let's go. Let's go.
What if this guy
Let's
gets
go.
me on?
If it gets Jao midnight, oh, let's go.
5 star. 5 star.
Jao.
Legendary, let's go.
Flute. Okay, flute. Nice
No,
pickup.
flute.
Flute is good. Flute is really good.
Road Latari.
Okay.
Road is Latari.
No. Shut up. Don't shut. Mona.
I'm sweating.
Bro, the best pickup for Diluc. She's the best for Diluc.
She's. You're lucky.
Why?
You got such a good support. You wanted Jao, but Ashish, you can sprint underwater now. You
Yeah.
can sprint underwater now. Just imagine he gets one more 5 star. Okay, now.
No, I won't. Don't worry.
Now everyone has Mona now.
Yeah, man.
Ghost
Wholesale
has
everyone has Mona, man. What is this? I was unique for. Give him one more 5 star. Back to back. Back to back.
Please.
You won't get.
I hate this game.
Bidu. Oh, nice. Bidu is nice.
Bidu he got again.
C2.
I think this game wants us to use shield characters, okay? Everyone is a shield character. There is Diona, there is Bidu,
Yeah.
there is Xinian. Everyone's a shield character.
Hey, what
He got a Mona. He got Mona.
I got Mona.
No.
Oh, no. Their shadow is used in depression.
Okay, done.
No, I'm not.
I'll do one more single round.
You think you'll get
Let's go. Give me. Don't make me go to pit. Ah.
He'll get
won't get.
Right? This
He'll get
Now I'll go
my ass,
little
he'll
slowly,
get-
okay? I want to enjoy.
Welcome. Very good. Get Jao or you shouldn't.
I will get Xiao.
He shouldn't, man. He should leave. He should leave the game a little.
No satisfaction.
Xinian, let's
You
go.
should get C to cutting okay.
I want Bidus. I want to build Bidu.
C6 video, right?
I want a C6 Bidu, but this game won't give me. It's giving me Xinian. It's fine. Two Xinians.
Don't
Two
worry, you'll end
Xinians.
up
I mean, not two
getting
Xinians. One Xinian Bennett. I'll get Pyro. This thing attack increase on my team. Okay.
You'll 100%.
Yeah, I'm getting. I have enough. I had 14,000 Primo gems.
Man, Xinian is back.
I know, I saw
Xinian
that.
is black.
I'm going.
Correct.
Give me. Please give me.
What is
Don't. Please. I saved this over like 1.5 months, man.
Good defeated.
Don't
Bidu.
worry, 1.5 months later, one more.
Why? Why? You could give me a rush.
If you get
You
rushed,
could give me a streamless.
If you
Bro, I hate this game.
okay.
Did anyone count how many wishes I have done?
done?
6, 6
Yeah.
plus 40, 46 over.
48. Yeah.
Sure, no?
I didn't do a single pull.
Single pulls I have done 6. If I do this, it'll be my 7th single pull. 46, sir.
46.
Then
Yeah.
46 matlab. Okay, then enough. No more single pulls.
You
I'm
know,
at 54 right now.
Yeah.
Then 46 matlab. I can do 2 more pulls. Then I'll be at 54. I'll be at 54. That.
cool. You need around like 6,400 for 410 pull.
This guy said no, you'll get around 40-50 pulls only.
I never
get
said
pulls,
that.
yeah.
Usually no, I said that. Usually I think many get like 0
No.
and 30
Oh,
pull.
stars. I closed my eyes this time.
Now you can get Bennett.
I need Bennett. If I
Don't
get
feed,
Bennett.
you
Bidu,
got-
yes, Bidu, let's go. I need Bidu.
Arixo.
Yes.
Arixo. You
Yeah.
know Shijan?
Give me one more 4-star, bro. There was not more than one 4-star in any pull. What is wrong with the game now?
So looking at that, I feel like I should pull pulls. I was pretty lucky with
Omkar, you're pulling means pull
I
now.
got-
Omkar, pull Omkar.
I'll go cookie.
Close my eyes,
64.
please. No, I didn't get it, no? Ah,
64. Like,
You'll pakka reach
I'm
50,
reaching
no?
pretty. What's this? Whoa, nice. Nice.
Like,
I need
good
sword.
pull.
Catching him, not gonna
I'm
use
not
that.
wrong. You have 5 stars.
Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go. C5 Bidu, confirm. Okay. I scrammed too loudly. I shouldn't have scrammed.
You didn't get that potion with which you can get constellations. You converted the last
No,
video
Australian,
into-
we get both of these items. I told you I've not played the game. Don't tell me this. Okay, before we go back, this is my apple. I think it should be. I'll do singles now. I'm going singles now. I can end. We're at the very end. Ooh. Xinian. Xinians. I got 2-3 Xinians. 2 Xinians. Fine.
One guy
C3
came, one guy
Xinians.
came.
Nice.
What?
Yes.
One guy
Only 2 Bidus.
was spamming it.
Why did I not get a Diona yet? Where is Diona? Diona. I lost my Resident.
Why do you want
I need a
the
Diona. That's one of the only characters that I don't have yet. Please give me one Diona or a Bidu, something. Just give me this. Single pulls I'm going. Okay. Please.
Let's integrate.
Anyone else is wishing?
3,000.
Anyone else is wishing now?
3,800.
Normal.
They made me go till petty, bro. They did me dirty. My luck is not that bad. This time it's bad. Please. Oh. Yeah, if I get jab, I'm stopping, obviously. Please. Why are they making me spend so many primal jumps? I think this is the pull. I think this is the pull now. This or the next pull, within the next two pulls. Oh. Please. Let's go! Let's I scrubbed too loud. Let's go! Bro, look at him, bro. Oh, finally, I have waited for so long for this job. I saved 14,000 primo chips for him. Oh. How? Yes. Yes. Gotcha. So guys, now we'll be wishing it's another day right now, and it's not the same day as the Xiao. But yeah, because I had a lot of work to do from college, and I was not able to make the Xiao on the very same day. And right now I'll be doing a little more wishes. I have 17 wishes, I think, for my the standard banner. I have 17 wishes, and I'll be getting. Okay, I'll wish now. I'm wishing now. Okay. Okay. I'm doing wish. I'll do 110 pull first. 4 star. Okay.
Ready? What are you getting?
What is this?
10.
Why is my luck so bad with 4 star? What? Oh, finally! Finally! Yes! Yes! Finally one rushed. Finally I got a rush. Okay. Finally. Okay. That is my first rush. Finally I got a rush. Okay. One more 10. Then I'll be doing single till I get the 5 star. Okay, let's go. Give me a 5 star. Give me right now. Please don't make me first. Need to do singles now. Oh! C6! Let's go! C6 video, let's go! Let's go, dude. Means I'll get one more 5 star now. I mean 4 star. Give me one more now. Oh, cheap! Cheap!
You don't use aim shots, right?
I don't use bow characters. Okay, single times. Okay, 5 star. Okay, one more 5 stars coming home, okay. I don't know. Okay.
This could be it.
No.
How many skins have you done?
This could be it.
Why?
Bro, don't skip management. Like Gene is management.
Jin don't want. Please, no Jin. 4 star, okay. What's that? Abbe, yaar. Like the worst 4 star ever.
If I'm not wrong, it will be a 5 star.
What?
No.
Where is the 5 star?
So are wrong. Because the way I got Java was after Junior I got Java.
Wait. I did 5 pulls. I did.
Pick history?
History, what's the point?
It is 4.
It's okay, I got my job on
What?
90th pull.
The next one must be guaranteed. Next one must be guaranteed. Yeah.
Let's go, dude! Okay. What? What the hell? Why? Why? Bidu, I forgot. Bidu, yes. Good. Fine. I have a C6 Bidu, man. I mean, yeah. Yeah.
Skyward Pride you got.
I said Skyward Spine. It's fine, it's fine. Bro, Skyward Spine would be so good for my job. It hurts. But it looks good, fine. Guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Skyward Spine. I mean, we got so much stuff. We got a Mona. We got a Skyward Spine. Skyward Spear, not Skyward Spine. We got a Skyward Pride. Okay, I didn't want it. I wanted either a Spine or a Jadewing Spear, something. But okay, it's fine. Whatever we got it. And yes, it was pretty fun. My friend got a Mona also. So I'll be doing another video. Bye bye.